Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on Skoda Fabia and I will do service reset lights. So after done your service on this car, you have to reset the lights. So if you put the ignition on, so you're gonna see like all lights gonna on. You're gonna see oil service in 14 days. So how to reset it? You just buy first of all off the ignition. After ignition, open the ignition, then you have to hold this light, hold this button. When you hold it for some time, then on the ignition, and from there you see. So now ignition off. My ignition is off. Then hold this button. So when you hold the button, it's going to show service inspection light. Then you see, okay. So you still show, then press okay, okay. Service reset light, okay. And then off ignition. And so you see after done everything, then everything is reset. Then you off it, move the ignition, the pull on. Then you see all lights is being reset. And then this is how to set your service reset light for Skoda Fabia. So you just basically just put the ignition off, hold this button, this 00 button, hold it, put the ignition on. Then should you want to do service reset, press OK, this same button, OK. Then click on it, OK. Then on ignition, then yeah, you just have to start your car. Yeah, and this is how you do service reset light for Skoda Fabia. Like and follow for more. Cheers. Thank you.